welcome to my video. Today we will learn how to do eyeshadow blending. So before starting with blending, we will know the sequence. This is our highlighting point. Then going down, this is our upper lid. Then middle lid. Then lower lid. Upper lid we are doing light eyeshadow blending. Then we are doing medium eyeshadow blending, then medium to dark. In this way we are doing the blending. So let's start with the blending. So I have taken Miss Clary full coverage concealer, and this is flat concealer brush. I have taken small amount of concealer and I will do the blending. Now I will set concealer with my beauty blender. It will blend very smoothly. See how it has blend. Now I will set concealer with setting powder so the lines will not create immediately. So it's done. Now we will start with blending. If it's your beginning while blending the eyeshadow, so we will take only two colors. We will not take much more colors and we will do blending with that two colors only. So I am taking light brown basic color and I will take color like this and remove the extra product from the brush. So let's start with blending. Blending should be done like this way, clockwise and anti. So I am done with this. Now I will take this dark color. You can go with any other color also. You can go with this color also. Okay. Taken small amount of product in my brush and remove the extra product. Blending should be done properly so the both colors should look same. I will do same this side also. And when you will start from the middle, means this lower, so your hand should be like this way. If your blending will be not done properly, then your eye makeup will not look nice. So you should do more focus on the blending only. Now I am taking same color shimmer shade like this way. See, like this way. I will take little amount of product in my brush. See, and I will blend middle of this lid which I have remained blank. See. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.